Googly moogly. I'm gonna earn passive income and I ain't gonna have to work hard. It's not gonna take a lot of work, and I can sit behind this computer and get fat and make money without working. I see the light. I see the light. What's good, YouTube? You're in the building with your boy, old Uncle Mont, and we're bringing you Life Gains Financial, and we're talking about myths that you hear and see online about making passive income. We're going to talk about that right now, but first, I got to put on the +7 glasses of sexy as hell, work on skilling up my craft, giving you all a better YouTube experience, definitely something better to look at. Sponsors of my videos nowadays is HD IPTV. You get everything you see going across the screen for $14 a month. No contract. Check them out. The other one for my brothers trying to get them cuts for the sluts, or for the ladies out there trying to get them butts for the mutts before the January rush comes. Check out the 2-week diet program. It helped me out when I was going through with the Goals Gym Challenge. So ladies and gentlemen, I've been going through this whole thing, giving you guys snapshots of my life, everything that has helped me liberate myself and earn passive income and be in position to kind of give you guys tips on it. Now, you've never really seen me sell myself in terms of coaching for passive income, because it's just not what I've been doing. You know, if you ask me for help, I've been able to give it most of the time. But I see a lot of stuff on the web about passive income being easy, or someone saying they got the secret sauce to passive income, and that's just not true. So one of the myths I would say that you see going on out there is someone telling you they've got a new secret for passive income. You know, someone saying, I've got this new thing that's gonna help you get passive income or whatever. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm just here to tell you, pretty much everything that has been invented when it comes to making passive income. The methods to get to it is where the sauce lies in, not a new vehicle. So for example, my two biggest passive income earners are my real estate. I have a property manager in place. Anything that happens, they fix it. I get the check every month. Don't got to worry about it. My YouTube channel, I've got affiliates that I had to put in work one time 2 years ago, and I still get paid from that. And I also get paid from YouTube, but YouTube itself is kind of passive, but it's not. So, you know, I'm still getting paid from videos I did years ago. However, if I don't keep updating my channel, I'm probably not going to keep getting paid from those, because Google uses their algorithm to uprank people who keep staying active. So YouTube is kind of semi-active. So watch out for someone who says they have the secret, the newness to get you passive income. Another thing is, a lot of people don't know the definition of passive income. So what is passive income? Something you take, something you take one action that allows you to make money without any more work or limited work required. And so that's where I would say the definition of something like YouTube comes in. Definitely real estate. Some of your surefire passive incomes would be earning dividends from stocks and bonds, your earnings on your mutual funds. You invest that one time, and as long as you don't touch it, it grows and compounds. And when you're ready to pull it out, that's all the passive income you've made. Like I said earlier, my favorite is real estate. You buy a property one time, you might fix it up, put somebody in place to manage it, and then you roll out on ticket and you're doing your own thing. That's another form of passive income. So those are great examples of passive income, along with affiliate marketing. If you're doing like a blog, or if you're doing YouTube reviews, affiliate marketers will allow you to put stuff on your blog or your video that can keep making you money year to year to year, that you're not having to work for anymore, as long as you stay active in your blog or in your YouTube. Also, people are doing courses. They're teaching you how to make passive income. They're teaching you how to train, how to get fit, whatever the case may be, where they take one action that might take a little bit of time, because building a course is not easy. A lot of work is required, but once they get done with it, they post it wherever they need to post it, and it keeps generating them income for years as long as they're staying active in their platforms. So those would be other ones I want you to watch out for. And then I see a lot of this going on too. People hating on folks. Let's say you're somebody who has made it with passive income. I see a lot of people hating on those that are still 9-to-5 workers or working for someone or starting a new business. Ladies and gentlemen, the old school way of passive income, I mean the old school way, like the pre-70s way. You start a business, you work that business, you upscale your business till you get it to a point where it's running itself and you can step away as an owner because you've got general managers in place, you've got employees in place. All you do is go manage the account books. That is passive income. And that still works to this day, ladies and gentlemen. If you're someone who's jumping out there, you're doing photography, you're a swim instructor, you start a personal training business, the ultimate goal is for you to upfit and upwork that business so that it can sustain itself and you can step away and all you become is the mouthpiece for the business. You go network at networking events and send people to your business. So that would be the ultimate way you would do that in terms of passive income. But I do see a lot of people that get up here because they've made it, and they'll hate on folks who are having to do it that way. But ultimately, working for the man, if you save your money and invest your money, you'll be able to kick the man to the curb, and then you'll be living off your dividends, which is passive income. So ladies and gentlemen, passive income is real. The definition of it is all screwed up from YouTube to YouTube or from blog to blog, but it is real and it is not easy. When you see something that says make $20 clicking on the internet for 4 minutes a day, run from it, because everything that you do that's passive is going to take massive work in the beginning. Did you hear me? Passive equals massive work in the beginning, but once you get that beginning done, you can make passive income, but it's just going to take work. That's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like my video, comment and subscribe. Go get yourself that life game. Follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, like my channel, share my channel, as I keep deciphering all these booby traps that can mess you up in your walk to getting life gains, because I'm gonna keep you abreast because I want you guys to be successful. And by helping you be successful, you'll continue to follow me. We'll meet up and start talking to each other and see what happens. And until that next Sex is Hell video, I'll see you.